Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Debounce. So first, I made a little GUI that clicks. Every time I click, if I had an auto clicker, it would go way faster than what I'm clicking right now. So I'll keep going up forever and ever. I'm going to show you how to make a debounce. So if you want a personal lane to be able to click every 5 seconds, for example. So we're going to go into my local script that I already made. Okay, and then we're going to make a value up here. Local debounce equals false. And then after the function debounce equals false, then it'll go. And then the first line after that, debounce equals true, so it won't go through it again until the debounce is turned back into false. And then we do wait, however long you want to wait. I'm going to say 5 seconds. Well, intro, whatever. And then you set debounce back to false. So if we try this, it'll show it only let me click every 5 seconds opposed to letting me click whenever I do that. Now, as you can see, when I click this button, it lets me click it once, but no matter how many times I click it, it won't go up in value until 5 seconds has passed, just like you've seen. So